Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you really easy step-by-step how to make these beautiful earrings made of crystals and seed beads. These crystals you could find in almost any beading store. They are called also roundelles and are 4 by 6 millimeters. And you could use also um, round beads for this. If you don't have crystals, you could use round beads, and these are 6 millimeters, but the only difference is that you will start your circle in the beginning with 16 beads instead of 12 beads. Okay, and don't forget that when you change colors, you will have so many beautiful variations. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button. In this way, you will be notified when I release new jewelries that match jewelries that I have already done, and you will be able to make beautiful sets. Like I have a bracelet with seed beads and crystals, and I will link to it so you could make a beautiful jewelry set for present or for yourself. And to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store, and when you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel, and my mission. I have links down there in description and here at the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the material. Okay guys, so for this video what I'm using are 4 by 6 millimeter crystals, or also called roundelles, and I'm using 11 seed beads. Here I use this type of ear wires, and I'm using size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. You could use other beading thread of your choice. And here I'm using pliers, scissors. I use the pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle, and if needed to go through the difficult beads, but the pliers are not obligatory. So now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back to start. Okay guys, and I will start by taking 12 seed beads. Okay, and I have my 12 here, and what I want to do is slide them down. Okay, stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot. And I'm making my knot by making a loop and going with my tail thread 3 times around this loop. And I pull. Now I have a really secure knot, and I will go with my needle through several beads, pull, and I have something like a circle here. Now what I want to do is take 3 more seed beads. Here they are. And as I'm exiting from this bead, I will go back in circle through the same bead, you see, going back in circle. If you don't see my thread, here it is. Okay, and pull, and when I pull, you see what I have: right angle weave, 4 beads like in a cross, connected in circular motion. And then I'm going through the following seed bead. Okay, here I want to have again right angle weave that consists of 4 beads, but here I already have 2 beads. One is in my inner circle and the other one is here from my previous element. So I will take 2 more seed beads, and when I go through those 2 that are already there, I will have again a cross of 4 beads that's called right angle weave. Then I will go through the next seed bead, take 2 and go here. And if you can, go to the next seed bead in one movement. In this way you will save time. So I'm exiting here where I'm in a position to add my next 2 beads, okay, and I have them here. And I'm going here through these 2 and exiting out of the next seed bead. Pulling. I will show you one more time. Okay, 2 seed beads. I'm going through these 2 here and exiting out of the next one. Okay. Now I'm going to continue this until here where I will be at my last step, and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, I hope that when you continue this process, this is what you have. So here I am at my last step. If you forgot how I did it, rewind this video and just add 2 by 2, making new and new elements, and you will reach up to here at some point. Okay, so now here I am at my last step, and you see I'm going through my next seed bead like I did before. Then here you have 3 seed beads. So what I want to do in my last step to have the same thing is add only 1 seed bead to finish my element. This way I'm still going through 4 beads, but because I have them already there, 3 of them already there, I'm adding just 1 bead, okay? Now I'm here exiting of this seed bead. You see where my thread is here, and I will take one of my crystals, and now as I'm exiting here, I will count 5 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seed beads, and I will go through the 6th one, and in this way I will put my crystal in the center of my work. And I'm going in the same direction where my thread was originally pointing to, in this direction, okay? And you see how it's sticking out from one side, and I like this effect. And this will be the front part of my earring, okay? And now guys, what I want to do is add here my ear wire, okay? I'm using cleaver bags here, but you could use any type of ear wires you have, okay? Now my goal is to exit here through this seed bead. I will take 1 seed bead, then I will take my ear wire, and pay attention how you should put it, because I want this where my crystal is popping out to be the front side of my earring. So this is the front part, and I should put it this way, okay? And I'm going through this one here, sliding this down, taking 1 more seed bead and going here through this one. Okay, then pull. Now this is what I have. The only thing I need here is to reinforce my work. Okay, I want to go 1 more time or 2 more times through this loop of beads I just made. Okay, because I want to fix my ear wire better. Okay, now I will go. You could do this as many times as you want. And now go at the back of your earring. This is the back. It also looks really good. And here what I want to do is make some knots, okay? And I'm making a loop like this, then I go once and I go second time through the loop I've made, and I pull, and you could repeat this several more times. And when you're ready, go to the next seed bead and cut your thread. Never cut next to a knot. And now I will cut also my tail thread that I have had in the beginning. And now guys, my earring is ready. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, my earrings are ready. My crystals and seed bead earrings look very good. And don't forget that when you change colors, you could have so many different variations. And here I have some earrings done with round beads. So if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. In this way, you will know when I release matching jewelries to the ones that I already did, and you will be able to make beautiful sets. If you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. You could also check my new merch store, and when you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission. You could find links down there in description and here at the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.